Hi, this is Rob with Aquavita Pools. We're all just getting started here. We're working hard, the guys are, to getting pools open for the year. I just wanted to do a quick video here today. Some of the things that we've ran into this week. We've had quite a few bad lights. One misconception is that if your pool's full of water, we can't change your light. That's not true. Even if your pool is full of water, we can still change the light underwater. So here's an example of a light that's bad. This is a color changing light, and if you see here, you can see that the light is full of water. And what happens from improper chemical balance or just years of being underwater, sometimes a sill or something will go bad or get corroded, or where the cord goes in. And this is things that just, over time or improper chemical balance will cause your light to go bad. Some of your lights just get really corroded up or have a blown bulb. So at Aquavita Pools, we have lights in stock. We have knowledgeable service techs that can come out, diagnose, make sure that you do have a bad light, and then get your pool lit up for your upcoming, swim season or party season this year. So if you have a bad light and you want to illuminate that pool or get it fixed, give us a call. Thanks.